I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of
Here's another episode of Memo Note by Emily TV. Yes, today I have a meeting going on, but I don't exactly know what I'm gonna do next, so let's keep watching. I'm going to show you guys around the meeting room, and here's what the interior looks like. My sister phoned me a while ago to get her something on the way, so I decided to stop by a pastry shop. I got her chicken sausage bread, the weather is kind of cozy, kind of making me a bit emotional. It reminds me of the Beaded movie. It's a really good song. Right now, I am at my favorite spot, my favorite little hideaway. Look how they beautifully make coffee. Okay, by the way, I bought cappuccino for my sister because she got me bubble tea last night. Hi. So I'm about to go to bed, but before that, I really want to test this camera quality instead of my iPhone camera because I have never done vlogging with this camera before, or maybe a few times. I don't remember the amount of time that I took out just to vlog, but however, this was only used for taking pictures and as a prop. So however, I decided to take this vlog with this camera. I hope it turned out into a really good one. Yes, the mirror look kind of dirty on this camera. That's fine. And what you see behind me is my wardrobe, and here's my study desk, and here's where I put my shoes. And so what else left? So TMI for today is that I watched Stray Kids new music video, Maniac.
나서 빠진 것처럼 미쳐 maniac.
I don't know the lyrics, but they have a good music video after all, and I love Hyunjin, Lino, and Chan. Yes, I love all of them, but they're my favorite. Okay, good night everybody. Everybody, good night, bye.
이미 넌 답을 전하고 말을 다친 거지 왜 낯설지 않던 기분이 드는 건지 보기 드는 일상 나만 속에서 나만 지친다는 기면 기분 탓인지 남자는 약해 빠진 걸까 사랑을 숨기는 남자는 무능력한 걸까 비밀을 거미줄에 걸렸어 거미줄에 걸렸어 아직 못 빠져나왔어 거미줄에 걸렸어 거미줄에 걸렸어 빠져나갈 생각 없어
Introduce yourself, a little bit about your histories and your major and other stuff.
My name is Olive. I am a bad bitch.
A bad bitch? Your major is a combination of business management and psychology, something like that.
But it is not psychology. Bitch, you're my bestie and you don't even know my major.
Your post, what post? That's it for today. Ollie called me, so I have to talk with her. And we will continue. Bye bye. How come travel? So that's the end of today's video. Send you nothing but love and support. Bye.
No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues, yeah.